my God.
Welcome to Forestry Technology, where heavy machinery meets raw timber and precision decides everything. No filters, no fairy tales. That first split didn't fail on the cut. The wood just tore clean apart. Solid start. But warm-ups don't mean much when the next job is a nearly 5-0 foot spruce, tipping the scale somewhere between 55,000 and maybe 77,000 pounds. At that size, guessing isn't an option. Weight estimates, lean direction, escape routes, everything matters. One bad call and gravity takes over. Of course, not every clip screams professionalism. You've got drivers throwing attitude around like they're invincible. Nice driver gonna wreck that truck in no time. And sometimes the forest answers back. Mission accomplished and somehow the mailbox survives. That's precision under pressure. Not luck, not hope, control. Sudden slips, close calls, someone yanked clear just in time. Thank God he's okay. That's the difference between a scare and a headline. Watch these lumberjacks turn a 6-0 foot removal into a slow motion comedy. Cuts off by 10 feet, near skylights for the neighbors. Then out of nowhere, a 9-foot cedar billiard table pitch. Durable, double top, family nights. A strange reminder that timber doesn't just fall, it lives on. You can laugh until you realize that margin could have been a roof, a car, or worse. That's not nostalgia, that's logging legacy rolling on steel and diesel. Trucks like that built the Pacific Northwest the hard way. And then there's history. A 1,972 Kenworth still grinding through Oregon mud, big Cam Cummins rumble, Spicer gears whining. Watch closely and you'll see real technique. Bore cuts, hinge control, managing tension in hardwood under stress. Experience shows in quiet movements, not in talk, but in how the wood reacts. Bar length changes everything. A 2.0-inch guide on a wide trunk leaves zero margin for error. Hinge depth, wedge timing. Those details separate skill from chaos. Sounds comforting until you see backyard operators gambling with 7.0-foot trees. Amateurs misjudge the face cut. Old school still shows up strong. 65 years in, 10 World Series watched. Frozen rivers, mud, weight that feels heavier each mile. Honest labor doesn't care about comfort. No control over the fall. Massive pines straight into a house. That's not bad luck, that's physics ignored. Hydraulic arms slice through roots like warm butter, dust lifts, fibers snap, another giant down. Machines like the LKT-81 skidder drag full tree lines uphill like flat ground doesn't exist. Engines growl, chains bite dirt, brutal, effective, exactly what the job demands. Logging trucks on mountain roads, who needs roller coasters? Every delivery depends on instinct, skill, and nerve. $200,000 miles driven. Experience doesn't shout, it moves when it's time. Let's be blunt. Some of these clips are insane. 70-foot trees crashing down. $60-foot oak slamming onto a car, $500,000 home spared by inches. What was the plan? Or was there one? A 10-inch diameter tree can top 1,000 pounds. Fire-damaged trunks look solid until the saw bites in and smoke bursts out like a warning flare. Hidden weakness. Collapse beneath the bark. That's how people get hurt. You can learn a lot here. Watch the hinge fibers. Watch how kinetic energy builds when heavy wood meets steep gravity. A proper wedge and back cut can guide a fall, skip it, and you're just gambling. Massive 100, foot giants brought down safely, controlled, calculated, no drama needed. The John Deere 2045 humming steady, bucking logs clean, safety first, not as a slogan, but as habit. People more focused on saving the saw than saving themselves. Tree fails and idiots with chainsaws isn't just a title, it's a warning wrapped in entertainment. But beneath the bloopers, the mud, the shouting, and the adrenaline, this is logging life. Weight, noise, surprise. And yes, sometimes it's pure backyard comedy. Ladders instead of cranes. $50 setups for $10,000 jobs. Old blades biting into walnut like history coming alive. You can almost smell the sawdust, feel the vibration in your chest. This isn't just about cutting wood. It's about understanding force, respecting tension, reading lean, knowing when to step back. Forestry isn't forgiving. And the forest always answers.